Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to soften or melt butter in your Whirlpool microwave. I got a question on my last video that I did on my microwave with the cooking guide. So today we're going to go through that together. So I have this stick of butter. I am making a recipe that I am filming for TikTok, but I figured I would share with you guys how to melt the butter. So let's go ahead and get over to the microwave. This is the microwave that I showed you guys the cooking guide for in one of my last videos. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. The cooking guide is right here, and today we are gonna be softening / melting the butter. There is a side for soften and melt. I'm making some Hawaiian roll sandwiches. We're actually gonna be melting some butter to put on top. So this is gonna go by sticks. So half a stick, a whole stick, 1.5 or 2 sticks. I actually have, well, this is about half of a stick here. So let's go ahead and drop that in. Now I unpeeled it. I dropped in half a stick of butter into my microwave safe bowl. I'm going to put it in my microwave and then soften or melt. So I'm gonna go over here to my microwave and I'm gonna click soften or melt. I go back to my chart and I'm gonna look. Do I wanna soften butter or margarine? That would be 1. I'm not looking to soften. So I'm gonna go to the melt side, butter or margarine. It's option 5. So I'm gonna choose 5. Okay, and then it's gonna ask me for the quantity. So I'm gonna go here and it has it in stick quantity. So half a stick, a whole stick, 1.5 or 2 sticks. So this is half a stick. So I'm gonna type in 5, so it's 0.5. I will close my microwave and I will push start. And you can see, like right here, it has something different on it, like a little wave. So I think the power is different in order to either soften or melt. Okay, it has ended. I'm going to look and there we go. Our melted butter, I'll just have to stir it a little bit. There's a little bit left, but obviously we can tell that it's melted. So I hope this video was helpful for you and you now know how to use the cooking guide to soften or melt butter.